Starting on freshly washed hair, I go in with my Qhemet Cocoa Tree Detangling Ghee. It's super thick and I distribute this all over my hair, then detangle in sections. I love how manageable this makes my hair, and my wide tooth comb just glides right through. For my styler, I'm going in with the Amla and Olive Heavy Cream. This cream is also very thick, glossy, and smooths out my hair. I apply a small amount to each section and I love how moisturized my hair appears. This is one of my favorite creams to use for a soft, fluffy, and shiny twist out. I either let my hair dry overnight or use a hair dryer depending on the day. Once my hair is 100% dry, I go in with the Qhemet Castor and Moringa Softening Serum. I rub this in my hands and distribute the product as I take down my twists. Do you see that shine and definition? And that is how you get a beautiful, fluffy, soft, and defined twist out. Thanks for watching.